this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your apps closing by themselves on your Android phone. So most of the time, if you just go up to the settings here and go down to apps and just clear the cache for the app, that'll stop it from having weird glitches and closing by itself or crashing. So we can just go to the application, wherever it's called, tap it, and then we can try force stopping it if it's open in the bottom right. Then we can just go to open right here. Another thing that we can try is going to storage, then go to clear cache. Then if that still doesn't work, we can go to clear data. Now when you go to clear data, that might sign you out of your account, so you might have to log back in with your email address and password. So you can try that as well. Another thing we can do is going over to the Google Play Store, open this up and see if there's any kind of updates going on for it. So tap on your profile, go to manage apps on this device, go to updates right here, and you can see if there's any updates for our applications. So this takes a little bit of time to load for me. We can go to check for updates. So there could be something downloading in the background, looks like there was for that specific app. And sometimes if there's an update, it's not going to work properly. So look at that as well. Then you can always uninstall the application wherever it may be. So if I go to that Adobe app, we can uninstall it through the Google Play Store, and then we can just quickly reinstall it. So we can just wait for this to get done downloading and updating. But I can go to a different one. For example, I got this easy home screen. I think I download this one. Nope. So you can just go to install, and then you can just go to delete. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.